Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Karen Burchill, Creative Katie. I am so excited today to finally bring to you the next product in my mixed media creations line, the Possibility Pack. I have been working on this for months and months. What's in a possibility pack? Well, possibilities, of course. The possibility for an art journal page, a canvas, a card. The possibility for fun and creative times. So much more than just collage papers. My hope is that the contents will inspire you and jumpstart your creative journey. Each pack is different. No two are alike. You get one-of-a-kind papers, and I've done the work for you, assembling and coordinating the papers. I put together each pack as if I was planning to use it in my art. Then I broke them down into 4 or 5 mini groupings to give you even more ideas. I've included a user guide that has links to free video tutorials, a list of 10 ways to use collage papers, which also includes a private video link showcasing examples of ways I've used the collage papers in my art. You also get 30 plus assorted sentiments from Creative Katie. These come from some of my sentiment packs and some that haven't even been published yet. But wait, there's more. Nicole at NinnysNapkins has offered up a 25% off discount on napkins so you can build your focal image stash. I've also included a sampling of 8 of my prompt and process cards. These are technique cards that you can use to further inspire you. Don't wait, there are only 20 possibility packs made, so when they're gone, they're gone. Link is in the description box below. Let's get creative.